Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel AMD. Not exactly a household name, is it? Kind of like the quiet kid in class who aces every test. Always there, but rarely the center of attention. They make the brains behind your computer, your game console, even the servers powering the cloud. Important stuff, right? But $1 trillion? That's Apple, Microsoft, Amazon territory, giants, titans. Can this semiconductor stalwart really join their ranks by 2030? Now, AMD's no slouch. They've been around since the 60s, clawing their way through the cutthroat world of computer chips. They've had their ups and downs, near-death experiences even, but they've always found a way. Recently, they've been on a tear. Their stock price, a rocket. Their market cap surpassed Intel, their arch-rival. They're even nipping at Nvidia's heels in the race for AI dominance. So, $1 trillion? It's a long shot, a moonshot even. But hey, stranger things have happened. Remember when Apple was on the verge of bankruptcy? Or when Amazon was just a website selling books? The point is, in the tech world, anything is possible. But to pull off this miracle, AMD needs to fire on all cylinders. For years, AMD played second fiddle to Intel, the undisputed king of CPUs. Intel was Goliath, the 800-pound gorilla in the room. AMD, the scrappy underdog, always fighting for scraps. But then, something interesting happened. AMD started making better chips. Faster, more efficient, and cheaper. They chipped away at Intel's lead, stealing market share in key areas like PCs and servers. How did they do it? By taking risks, by betting big on new technologies like their Zen architecture, and by being nimble, able to adapt to the ever-changing demands of the market. They also had a secret weapon, Lisa Su, their CEO, a legend in the industry. She's been the driving force behind AMD's resurgence, transforming them from an also-ran into a true innovator. But Intel isn't going down without a fight. They're still a behemoth, with deep pockets and a history of bouncing back. They're investing heavily in new manufacturing facilities and research, determined to reclaim their crown. And then, there's Nvidia, the other giant in the room. They've been killing it in the graphics processing unit, GPU market, especially for AI applications. Artificial intelligence. It's the buzzword of the moment, the technology that's going to change everything. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. And guess what? AMD wants a piece of the action. They're betting big on AI, developing specialized chips that can handle the massive computational demands of machine learning algorithms. Their strategy is twofold. First, they're targeting the data center market, providing the powerful GPUs needed to train and run complex AI models. Think of those giant server farms that power everything from Google searches to Netflix recommendations. That's where AMD sees a huge opportunity. Second, they're going after the edge. That's where the real AI magic happens, on devices like smartphones, cars, and even robots. AMD's goal is to put their AI chips in everything, creating a seamless ecosystem that connects the cloud to the physical world. It's an ambitious plan, but one that could pay off big time. But here's the catch. Dominating the AI market won't be cheap. It's a high-stakes game, requiring billions of dollars in research and development. AMD will need to keep pouring cash into new technologies, even if it means sacrificing short-term profits. They'll also need to attract top talent, the best and brightest minds in AI, to stay ahead of the curve. And then there's the competition. Nvidia isn't just going to sit back and watch AMD eat their lunch. They're also investing heavily in AI, leveraging their dominance in GPUs to build a moat around their business. Intel, too, is making a big push into AI, hoping to regain its footing in this rapidly evolving market. The battle for AI supremacy will be fierce. It will be a war of attrition, a race to innovate, and a test of each company's ability to execute. AMD might be the underdog in this fight, but they've surprised us before. So, back to our original question. Can AMD reach $1 trillion market cap by 2030? It's a tough one. On the one hand, they have momentum. Their financials are solid. They're gaining market share. And they're well-positioned to capitalize on the AI boom. But on the other hand, the challenges are immense. The competition is fierce. The market is constantly evolving. And the road ahead is paved with uncertainty. To reach that coveted $1 trillion mark, AMD needs to hit a home run. They need to continue their upward trajectory, outmaneuver their rivals, and avoid any major missteps. They need to become the go-to provider of AI chips, not just for data centers, but for the entire world. Their price-to-earnings ratio, a key valuation metric, already reflects lofty expectations. Investors are betting big on AMD's future, but those bets come with high expectations. Any stumble, any sign of weakness, could send their stock price tumbling. So, is it feasible? Is it fantasy? The truth is, no one knows for sure. The future is unwritten, and the tech world is notoriously unpredictable. But one thing is clear. AMD has a fighting chance. They've defied the odds before, and they just might do it again. They have the technology, the leadership, and the ambition to compete with the best. They're playing in the right markets, riding the right trends, and they have a story that's starting to resonate with investors. Whether they reach $1 trillion or not, AMD's journey will be one to watch. It's a story of innovation, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of technological dominance. It's a story that reminds us that in the world of tech, anything is possible.